If you want to change volume on a Realme GT8 Pro, you have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. If you just want to change the media volume level, then you can simply press volume up or volume down. And then of course you can keep pressing in order to adjust it. Or if you see this slider, then you can use your finger to adjust the loudness with your finger. Over here we have three dots that allow you to open this panel where we have the media volume level, the ringtone volume level, and we also have the loudness for notification and alarm. Besides that, if you open the control center, then over here we have this slider for the media volume level, and only for that. You can actually tap on the speaker to quickly mute the media on your phone. Also, we can open settings, and you can choose sound and vibration in this place. And here we have these four sliders again, so you can adjust the volume level in this place as well. Subscribe to my channel.